7 Best Essential Oils for Breathing Difficulties and Wheezing.
Using essential oils is one of the best ways by which you can cure your breathing difficulties and wheezing caused due to allergies and asthma cough. However, it is good to know that all essential oils are not good for your lungs, as some of them can even cause adverse effects. If you are wondering about what essential oils to use for curing your wheezing and breathing problems, let's tell you about the top 7 options here. 1. Eucalyptus oil. It helps in fighting bacterial and viral infections. Also, it helps in regeneration of lung tissues. 2. Lavender oil. It helps in clearing up your nasal congestion, stuffiness, and throat disorders. Also, it boosts the immunity and helps you sleep better at night. 3. Peppermint oil. It helps in relieving breathing problems by clearing the sinuses. Also, it helps in stopping the allergies and asthma symptoms. 4. Tea tree oil. This oil also helps in relieving respiratory disorders caused due to infection of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It also helps in enhancing the immunity of your body. 5. Ginger oil. It helps in treating respiratory infections and to stimulate your immune system, especially during chilly winters when you suffer from increased coughing and breathing problems. 6. Rosemary oil. It helps to relieve the respiratory disorders by fighting the infection in your airways. 7. Pine. It helps in releasing out the mucus, making your congestion and breathing easier. Although all these essential oils work great for relieving breathing difficulties and wheezing, you should use them with proper care after consulting with your doctor so that it does not prove harmful. Start by using only in small quantities, diluted with carrier oil. Avoid using them if you are sensitive to fragrances, as it can make your conditions even worse.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and visit my site at coolmisthumidifier.org.